Hi, in this video we're going to talk about the kinematic primitive. It can interact with the dynamic agents. Let's first open our sample 43. Let's introduce the first usage of this kinematic primitive and make it interactive with the agents, dynamic agents. Here, let's place our agents, and you can see that inside of the scene, there's the spot, and when the agent is near the spot, it will turn to the dynamic agent and interactive with the force field of the vortex here. So let's do that and run the simulation. You can see that this is a very simple setup. And we're going to interactive with the kinematic primitive with our agents. So let's create one. You can see, you can click this button to create the kinematic primitive. This is a green, the box. You can scale and like this, and rotate as you wish. Let's just put this right here for making our agents collide this place. Let's reset and run the simulation, and you can see that our agent will collide the wall, and also you can animate it. And here, oops, let's just prolong this frame. And click is interactive playback. You can see that you can continue animate this object as you wish. So you can just use this to simulate some cars or the object interactive with the dynamic agents. So this is very simple. And also you can interact with the agent and the kinematic object with the logic sentences. So let's open our sample 36, the partial and dynamic debug here. Just to recall and review the previously mentioned, we mocked some of the bone, the collide field. Here you can see that, and we can also turn this on. We can make them interactive with the kinematic object by marking the bone, the collide field. And here we create the kinematic objects just like this, and then move it right here. And place our agents and run the simulation. It walks through. So let's add a logic sentences here. Collide kinematic. Here collide, mark the bone collide. I can play back. Okay, and we need to specify do something. For example, let's enable dynamics, so when the agent collides anything into the marked bones, it will enable dynamics. Let's run the simulation. You can see that. Ooh, like this. And they also, this kind of the box support the kinematic, the indexing techniques just as before. So let's do that, and I'll show you something about this index usage. And let's just make this 2, and we need to change the logic right here. The collision detection, the marked bone collided by something, the underscore Kinematic Prim underscore, and we need to add this bracket here in 2, because this place is 2 here. This should be the same. And enable dynamics. So let's run a simulation. You can see that what will happen. It will enable dynamics. And if we just change this place or change this place to make the number different, it will not check collide for 2 of these objects. Let's just change here. For example, 3. The agent will walk through and without any of the collision detection. And let's just change that to 2, and oh, this should be reset. Should be reset the frames so that they make the indexing working. Okay, this is an introduction for the kinematic primitive of the myArmy. This is very simple. It can interact with the logic agent and the dynamics agent. Thank you for watching. See you next time.